welcome to our YouTube channel, Rubal Solutions. Reading about some of the terms related to insurance, so decided to share with my Rubal Solutions family. As here on this channel, we tell you the basic things in simple English language. We really hope and wish that it's helpful and useful. Now, let's get started. Define home insurance. Home insurance, also commonly called homeowner insurance, often abbreviated in the US real estate industry as HOI, is a type of property insurance that covers a private residence. It is an insurance policy that combines various personal insurance protections, which can include losses occurring to one's home, its content, loss of use, or loss of other personal possessions of homeowner, as well as liability insurance for accidents that may happen at the home or at the hands of homeowner within the policy territory. Additionally, homeowners insurance provides financial protection against disasters. A standard home insurance policy insures the home itself along with the things kept inside. Homeowner policy is a multiple line insurance policy, meaning that it includes both property insurance and liability coverage with an indivisible premium, meaning that a single premium is paid for all risk. This means that it covers both damage to one's property and liability for any injuries and property damage caused by the owner or member of his or her family to other people. It may also include the damage caused by household pets. The US uses standardized policy of forms that divide coverage into several categories. Coverage limits are typically provided as a percentage of primary coverage, which is coverage for the main dwelling. The cost of homeowner insurance often depends on what it would cost to replace the house and which additional endorsements or riders are attached to the policy. The insurance policy is the legal contract between the insurance carrier and named insured. It is contract of indemnity and will put the insured back to the state he or she was in prior to the loss. Typically, claims due to the floods or war includes a nuclear explosion from any source are excluded from coverage, amongst other standard exclusions. Special insurance can be purchased for these possibilities, including flood insurance. Insurance is adjusted to reflect the cost of replacement, usually upon application of an inflation factor or the cost index. Hope you get to know about this topic. Interested people, please spread the educational knowledgeable videos on our channel. We are really grateful and thankful for the same. In the end, we would like to say that please do like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Rubal Solutions. Love, love. Have a nice day.